This conference will now be recorded.
How you will delete the setup tab? I have
CR02.
this is my work center WJ001.
Okay, where it is?
When you write here machine labor, when you
Yeah.
create the work center, there is one more tab. It says setup. So how you delete? If you go my work center is let me W right here WJ0. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
The setup.
yeah.
3 individually cannot delete. These 3 are coming from the standard value key.
Yes,
You have a standard value key SAP1.
right.
Okay. Give me a minute. Hello?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
here.
Jamal. Okay. So these 3 are coming from the standard value key. Okay.
Right,
You
right,
enter the standard value key SAP0, SAP1. Okay.
right.
So we have created ZSA1, which is having only 2, mission and labor. If you select this ZSA1 and press enter,
Mhm.
you will get that those 2.
Uh, so how I will get this two? But when you create the standard key, I think you copy it from standard and then you delete over there.
Correct.
Okay. Can you give me one? Can you show me one time, please? Last time you
Yeah.
show, but it was.
Okay. Go to the SPRO
Mhm.
and go to the production here.
Okay.
Production, and then basic data,
Mhm.
and then work center,
Mhm.
and then go to general data.
Mhm.
Here you can see standard value,
Yeah.
define standard value key.
Okay.
Okay. Open this, and here, for example, I want to copy this normal. Okay.
Okay.
Select it
Mhm.
and click on copy,
Mhm.
and here you can put JDS. Next one, you
Mhm.
want only setup and mission.
Oh yeah.
You don't want labor, you can delete this. Okay.
How you delete this? Because
You select it, an empty row is there, you select the empty row. Last empty is there, you select that empty.
I see lots of empty. Okay. Okay. I see. So
Select
this
that
will come
empty.
automatically in the. Okay.
Correct. And now you can click OK, apply, and
Uh-huh.
save it.
Okay.
ZSA2 we created.
Okay. So the setup key is not mandatory or not important.
It is very important because based on this one only, we
Mm.
are calculating our routing, mission hours, capacity, everything we are entering.
Yeah, but there are three tabs. So one is machine, one is labor, one is
Yeah.
set. So
Okay.
why we take the setup out? That's my point. Question is.
No. For example, I have shown you. If you
I
want
see.
business want a setup also, then you will put the setup also.
And what the setup can do in this machine work, take the machine data or man hour, and labor work can take the machine labor hour. And what the setup can do, means setup of this both machine and labor, or setup is something else.
Setup means before starting a production, you may require some time, maybe for a cleaning, maybe for arranging your raw materials. Okay, that is called the setup time. For example, you want to cook your food today, lunch. You want to prepare lunch for today now. So you want lunch preparation starting is 1 o'clock, means will you start by 1 o'clock? No. Before that, you need to bring all your utensils. You need to bring all the items which are required for cooking.
Right.
Okay, all those you will arrange them. Then at 1 o'clock you will switch on the microwave or stove, gas stove. Okay, and then you will start cooking. But before that, you prepared, you did some preparation. That preparation is called setup.
Okay, so
Okay.
in setup also it's go with the hours and whatever, yeah, right?
Yeah. Here
Okay.
setup we will put as a time. In time, how much setup you require. Okay.
Setup required. Okay, time for the setup.
Correct.
I
Mission
see.
means running of that mission. Labor
Oh,
means your complete labor into their man hours.
okay, standard, right. Okay, this is the one questions that I have, and the second questions that I have.
Yeah.
Show in casting tab. Uh, okay, the second last time you remember we talked about MM01 and in MRP.
1 minute. Nicholas? Hi, Nicholas. No, his audio is not it. Okay. Yeah, please.
Let me call him.
No,
Uh,
he's joining. Actually, he joined in another call. Okay.
okay,
Yeah, tell me.
and
In MM01?
in MM01, and when you go in accounting,
Hmm.
then the month shows month 2019, I'm saying November 2019, December 2019. Last
Correct.
time you explained to us, but again, when I get the material today,
Hi, Jamal. Hi, Jamal.
I am here.
Yeah,
You
hi.
talk
Sorry.
about
Hi,
Nicholas.
Nicholas.
Hey, hi. So hi, I'm Nicholas. Sorry, I
Yeah,
was
good evening.
don't. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Murli told that. So both of you, tomorrow onwards, you have received a new GoToMeeting ID. You need to join into that GoToMeeting ID.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Yeah, tomorrow
Hmm?
onwards we will join into new GoToMeeting ID. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I
Yeah,
think he
Nicholas.
sent yesterday. He sent the new one.
Maybe
Yes.
5 minutes before only send it all.
Yeah, yesterday he sent. I think the new one. Yeah, you have to drop down and select the SAP HANA or SAP PP or whatever is. You have a choices there.
Okay. That is for maybe a system.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. We
So
practice today together, and Nicholas and I have the same question that when you create the MM01,
okay.
we create this material. Can you click this one, please?
Can I go to the change mode?
Yes.
You already created, so I'm going to the change mode.
Right.
Okay.
MRP could be, yeah, this the period 49 and period 39. This showing this just put the highlight on it. What is it showing this one?
The cost of this product in current period and previous periods. This cost. Actually, the client, they will run the costing every month. Okay. That time, what is your previous cost? And what is if you run the costing run for next month, it will show you in future costing run. What is the cost?
I see. So the present and present,
Past.
future,
Correct.
previous, present, and future, right?
Correct.
I see. Okay.
So this is
these are
actually the costing people. They will run the costing, and it will show that data. We are not entering.
I see. This is the generate system, right?
Yeah, correct. Okay. If we are in a month of May, then previous period will show 004 and present period will show 005.
I see. Okay. Yeah, that's we have only.
Okay.
Okay.
Nicholas, do you have any questions?
No, it's okay. Perfect.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
So you can start the class now. That's
okay. So, Jamal, can you tell me what are the steps we did till now in make to stock scenario?
what steps we did?
Yeah. First we did forecast.
I'm sorry, what is the question?
Yeah, my question is, in make to stock scenario, what are the steps we completed till now?
Until now we confirm. Only we do the confirmation.
We did the before that we did the info record, then forecast, and after forecast we did the
MRP run.
stock requirement list, then MRP run.
Okay. Then?
And after MRP, then we start the
planet order.
I'm sorry?
Planet order and production order and release the production order.
Plan order will convert to production order.
Okay. Then?
Release.
And then, then release, yes.
And confirm.
Okay. What are the two types of confirmation?
Sorry?
What are the types of confirmations?
Two types. I remember just so I think
one of them text, the other one
individual conversion and collective conversion, right?
Confirmation.
Confirmation.
Operation wise confirmation, and another one is order wise confirmation. Okay. So if I ask you the steps in the make to stock, means you should able to explain this: forecast, MRP run, planned order to production order conversion, release, production confirmation, and finally is the goods movement.
Goods movement, yeah.
Okay.
Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Here,
yes.
I just a little bit not clear 100%. When we confirm, for example, when we said confirm 5, I see the good movement next, but you confirm you will manufacture 5. And when you do the good movement, you start to do the good movement from the warehouse to the production center. Is that right or not?
Sorry, can you repeat your question again?
Yeah, I'm talking about the good movement, just to be accurate in the good movement. Just a production confirmation. That does mean now I have a confirmation to produce 5. Is that right? And when I do the good movement, now I start to do the the movement to issue the product from the warehouse to the production center. Is that right
Correct.
or not?
Correct. Say,
Okay.
okay.
That does mean now I didn't do the 101 receive the product shipping yet. Is that right
Correct.
or not? Next
Correct.
step will be the receive the good receive. Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
So
Okay. Thanks.
confirmation, production confirmation means physically product is assembled. Okay. Now we are moving that product into warehouse. We are moving that product into warehouse. That
Yeah.
is called the goods receipt. Okay.
Okay.
Now today we will discuss on the goods movements.
Moving the product to
Warehouse,
warehouse.
or you can say storage location. Okay.
Storage.
So here we have consumed your raw material. You have consumed like raw material like tire. I have used and I have assembled in car.
Right.
Okay. That is called the goods issue. Consumption, goods issue means consumption of your raw materials.
Okay. Goods issue is called the consumption, right?
Yeah, consumption of your raw materials.
Consumption of raw material.
Okay. And this generally they will do by team. They will issue the material, consumption or issue the material. Okay. To production. This generally will be done by people. Is
Okay.
it correct, Nicholas?
Yeah, but now as soon as you release the order and you make confirm, yes, absolutely. Now you issue the product from the warehouse to the production center. Is that right? Is this what you need? Where you?
Yeah.
Is that
Correct.
okay?
From warehouse to production center, you will move. Okay.
Okay. When the product go to the warehouse, you say it's called the goods movement, right?
Yeah.
And from
Now,
the warehouse, it will go out of the warehouse. Then you call the goods issue.
yeah, again that is called the goods issue of your FG to customer.
Okay.
You are giving is issue. Okay. You are taking is goods receipt.
Yeah.
Okay. This is one part. And another part is you will do the goods receipt also. Goods receipt means, okay, keeping, you can say FG product, FG in warehouse. Okay.
I'm sorry.
That means,
keeping FG what?
yeah, finished good in warehouse. Warehouse means your storage location.
Goods in warehouse. This I cannot understand.
Yeah, you have produced now car. Okay, in production line you have produced it. Painting and everything is ready. So then what you will do? You will keep it in a warehouse. Warehouse,
Right.
or it is called the godown, warehouse, storage
Yes.
location. You need to keep that. Okay,
Right.
that is called the goods receipt.
Well, the goods movement, you did it from warehouse. I'm sorry, from the manufacturing area to the warehouse. That's called goods issue.
Yeah, that is called goods receipt. Your production line to warehouse is called the goods receipt.
Production line to warehouse is called good receipt.
Correct.
Okay, let me write down production to warehouse called good receipt. Okay.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So this goods issue or goods receipt, the differentiation we will do from the movement type.
Right.
Okay. Goods issue means movement type is 261. Goods receipt means movement type is 101.
Goods issue. Okay.
Okay. And in olden days, maybe in ECC, you have a different transaction codes for these goods issue, goods receipt, like MB1A, MB1B, MB1C. All MB starting with MB transactions are there in ECC for all individual goods movements wise. But in S4, they have removed all these transaction codes and they keep only one transaction code, that is MIGO.
Okay.
In S4, you have only one transaction MIGO for all types of goods movements.
Okay. Okay. Repeat one more time, because olden days I remember that MB1, MB, they all has a
Yeah,
transaction codes, and that
yeah,
was in the old version, right?
yeah, correct. In
Okay.
ECC.
Then in ECC, then what happened after that?
In S4, now we are working on S4 HANA.
In HANA, we
Okay,
can use MIGO.
only MIGO. You
Okay.
don't have
Only.
MB1A transactions.
Okay. In HANA, and we can use MIGO in HANA, but in HANA you cannot use MB1A or MB1.
Correct.
I see.
Okay. Okay. Now I will show you the goods issue and goods receipt. Okay. Before goods issue, actually goods issue means your tire stock should be there, but we have not done any goods movements for the tire. I'm going to the MD04 Honda tire.
No, I'm
So for
sorry.
Honda,
Say one more time. Earlier you said something about the tire.
yeah, tire is a raw material. We
Right.
don't have stock for this tire.
Yeah, because
Okay.
we buy this tire from the
Yeah,
third.
correct. So how to buy is this is actually the part, but I will show you how to do this one also.
I see.
Buying. Okay. So for example, after MRP, system generated purchase requisition with this quantity. Okay.
Right.
This purchase requisition, this people, they will convert this into purchase order.
Okay.
Okay. How to convert is, you can click on the details and here you click on purchase order.
Okay, just 1 second, please. 1 second. Okay.
Okay. Click on that. So here in the right side document overview, this is a purchase requisition. Drag and select that purchase requisition and click on adopt button.
Okay. If you give me 1 second, I will take the screenshot.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Before that, I am going back because it did not copy the vendor actually. Let me correct this. Vendor is A100 actually.
Now this screen is the same screen that you did it before, right?
No, this is different. I will come back once again. Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am doing purchase requisition, purchase order. Okay. Close this. Okay. Now this is the previous I shown you the screen. You select this and click on adapt.
Yeah.
So in the right side, you will get all the details, material, your vendor, purchase organization and everything.
Okay.
Okay. So then you can directly save it.
I see.
Click on save. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It's got saved. So you can see standard PO created. The number is 40261.
Okay. Just 1 second. Okay. Okay.
Okay. And you can click on refresh button. So then your purchase order will come here.
Yeah. It's from PRD to change to PO item.
Yeah, correct. Not PRD, PURREQ, purchase requisition.
Yeah, but you did it this one, right? PO item.
Yeah, PO item. It becomes as PO item
Yes.
after conversion. Now, next is, for example, for this now purchase order you have given to the vendor. Now vendor is
Actually,
yeah,
what you say after the conversion, what will become? What you said
yeah,
about
purchase order.
after?
It will become as purchase order. PUR,
Okay. Okay, become PO. Yeah. Okay.
yeah, PO item. It will become item
Okay.
MRP.
Yeah. Got it. Okay. Thanks.
Okay, okay. So now you converted this into PO. You are given to the vendor. Vendor will supply that material to you. Okay. So when he supply the material to you, you need to do the goods receipt for that material. Raw material. You need
So hold on 1 second, please. You say the PO is ready,
yeah,
and PO you can give the PO to the vendor, right?
correct.
And the vendor will supply the material.
Correct.
Okay.
When he supply in SAP, okay, I will write down the steps here.
And SAP, then
Purchasing process. Okay.
then you issue the
Purchase requisition and then convert to purchase order. Okay. After this, you need to do the goods receipt.
after the purchase order, then you give the hold on 1 second. Okay, purchase order will you can give it to the vendor,
Correct.
and the
That is
vendor will supply the material,
correct.
and then after that what?
Yeah. After that, you need to do the goods receipt against that purchase order in SAP.
Goods receipt, I see.
Okay.
People.
Yeah, exactly. So this D04 and this is MD04 and goods receipt all movements is in Migo only. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now in SAP, for example, you want to enter the old transaction code MB1A, okay, or 1C. So it will say, you can see transaction MB1C is absolute. Okay, because we are using S4 HANA system.
Okay.
Okay. So now I am opening the Migo transaction code. Goods receipt. You can select here option goods receipt. And here you need to select for a different purpose, different types you need to select. We are doing goods receipt against purchase order.
Purchase order, yeah.
Okay, you select that option and enter your purchase order number. This is our 261 is our purchase order, and click execute button.
I see. Okay. Just one
So
second.
in the bottom you will get Honda, plant, quantity, all the details you will get from the purchase order. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Here enter storage location. Enter storage location. And in the bottom tick mark item OK.
Okay. Just one second.
Okay.
But now if you go a little up, the screen is
Yeah.
purchase
Identify.
order. Yeah, the previous screen. The previous screen. No, where you put the purchase order number
Oh,
and
that one. Yeah. Here.
yeah, but now when you put the goods receipt and purchase order here, the purchase order number is gone.
Yeah, when you press enter, it
Uh,
will go out and that purchase order will number will display on the top.
Display on the top. I see. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then you save it, right?
Yeah, save it or post. You can do both. So in the bottom, you can see document is posted. Okay. Now stock is there. You can check in MD04 also. Earlier the stock is 0. Okay. Earlier the stock of tire is 0. Now I am just refreshing it. So now you can see we got the stock now. Okay.
The tire stock is 0.
No. Now we did the GR now.
Yeah,
Now
but
it came stock
you said
1850.
yeah, stock available. It's a quantity 1.8.
It is 1000, not 1.8.
No, but you say earlier the stock is 0.
Yeah, to refresh this screen. Before refresh this screen, it is 0. Now we did GR and everything.
So means that there is no tire in the stock, right?
Before GR, there is no stock. Just now
Okay.
we did GR.
Okay. Okay.
We did GR now.
Okay.
So stock is increased to 1850.
1.8. Okay. I see.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you want, you can check this stock in MMBA also. This is MMBA transaction code. Enter material plant and execute. You can see the stock 1850.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever I explained now is process.
Yeah.
Team they will do. Okay.
Yeah. When you check the stock, it was MB. What was the transaction code?
MMB.
I'm sorry, MM.
Stock overview.
Yeah. What was
Just I type here, you can see.
stock overview? Because the voice is actually is a little echo sometimes. Stock overview.
Okay.
Transaction code is MMB.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Okay.
But when
So
we start the work, we did not maintain the stocks.
So when we start the work means?
When you start the work, you can see how much is the stock we have. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a little confused because how to check the stocks? Do we have before tire in the stocks, or what kind of materials do we have in the stocks, or upload the stocks or something like that?
No, during a new project you are asking, or during our training now?
Now, this time.
This time, the stocks has come after doing this process for purchased materials.
So stock will be uploaded, right?
Not uploaded. If you do the goods receipt, so stock has come.
Okay.
You are received from the vendor.
Oh, okay.
Goods receipt means you received from the vendor.
Received from the vendor. Received. Okay. Received from the vendor. Okay. All right. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
You are received from the vendor, so the stock is appearing now.
Okay.
Now, so I am coming back to our class, goods movements. So first is this tires is there. We need to issue the tire to production order. Okay. So goods issue. We will use the transaction same MIGO only.
Yeah. Now you are trying to give this tire to the production to put it in the car.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So that step is goods issue, and I am opening the same MIGO transaction again. Before that, let me check yesterday's production order. Honda car. So yesterday we are using the production order, this one. Okay. 162. Okay. So I am opening now MIGO transaction code to do the goods issue. Okay. So once you open this one, you select this is as a goods issue. Okay. Goods issue. And then here you can select against order, production order you can select, or if you know the reservation number, you can select reservation number. Okay. You select order and then enter here order number and then execute. Okay. So executed. Actually, in our production order, we have the two materials. Okay. So
I'm sorry, what is the engine? No engine. I remember there is an engine. No, the engine is not part of the production order.
sorry.
The engine is it? The engine is not part of from the production order or not?
Your voice is not clear.
Yeah, I'm repeating. The engine,
Yeah.
is it par? I don't remember. Is it par from the production order or not?
No, we are not put that engine. We are not created engine material code.
In a BMO.
BOM.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No problem. No problem.
So
Okay.
in
Got it.
a BOM only we have two material. One is tire
Correct.
and one is 166 or something like this.
Yeah, correct. That 166.
Mm.
So
Okay. Got it.
let me check. We have the stock for 166. I'm going to MMBE transaction code 166 execute, because this is we are not created. Okay, somebody has created this. So okay, I'll do one thing. Let me do for this 166 also. So this is also having some PO, but this PO is very less. Okay, I will change this PO quantity. I am doing the MIGO for this raw material also. Copy. I did for 166 material also. So the stock is 500 now. It is fine. Okay. Now I am going to our production order goods issue. Okay. So here, once you enter your production order, what are the items in the production order, it will display here. Okay. Here, if you want to change the quantity, you can change. That means out of 50, you are now issuing only 40. You can put that 40 quantity also. Okay. And then you enter storage location. From which storage location you are issuing the goods receipt, goods issue, this tire. So you can see the goods movement type automatically will come 261. And this stock we have in 0001. You enter the stock for this one, and we have two materials here. Now at present we enter the details for first item only, Honda tire. You want to enter the details for second item, click on second line. Okay, and here it will display the details for second item. And this, you want to change quantity, you can change, or storage location, you enter the storage location. Jamal, is it clear?
Yeah, it is clear,
Okay.
but it's we have to understand from goods issue, then after goods receipt, and then after you know uh, stock overview and MMB or all this stuff.
Correct.
Then how you do this? These are the steps that we have to understand.
Correct. You need to practice. If you
Right,
practice only, you will remember. Otherwise, you will forget everything.
right.
Okay. Yeah.
Vasu, how long? Since how long you are working in this module?
SAP.
Yeah.
SAP 11 years.
Now that's why you remember each and everything, and then you are doing this. Okay, 11 years is is a big so many years. You probably remember each and everything in the BB.
Yeah, my daily life is this one only.
Yeah. You don't need the SAP in front of this. You just explain, do this, do this. You don't need a SAP software in front of you.
Correct. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Nicholas is Nicholas, are you understand this process?
Yeah,
he's already working.
yeah,
He's
I do everything.
already,
Yeah,
yeah, he knows in MM. This is part of MM actually.
Right.
yeah. Yeah.
He
So,
knows. So that is the reason if you both practice it, you
Yeah.
will understand that. Okay.
Yes, we did today. We start actually practice together today, and we did.
Mm,
We did.
okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
That's why we need the other help that we say yesterday uh, about the screen charts that you can give it to us. At least it will help us to practice it.
Okay.
Because when you are working on screen charts and when
Mm,
you put the transaction code and click and click and click and click, now
mm,
now I cannot take all the screenshots step by step. Some of them are missing because we have to pay attention to and listen to.
yeah. Okay.
So in this way, if you have screenshots, then the step by step, that will help us to do the practice. So
Okay.
I will appreciate if you can give it to us that we can do in everyday practice.
Okay. I will check and let you know that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So now once you enter the storage location details, you can click on save button.
Save button. Okay.
You need to put OK button flag
Yeah.
and save it.
Save it. And Vasu, what industry are you working with?
At present, I am working
automotive,
for the automotive,
Automotive. Yeah. You have a lot
automobile
of,
spare parts.
I think you have a lot of work over there.
Yeah.
I see.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can see material document is posted.
Yes.
Okay. So this is goods issue. We did the
Right.
goods issue. That means tires we have issued to a production line.
Right.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now yesterday we completed the production. Means production confirmation is over.
Right.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Sometimes some clients they will do first goods issue.
Mhm.
First they will issue the tires to the production line, and
Mhm.
then production team will start the production. They will do the confirmation here.
Mhm.
Okay. Then finally they will do the goods receipt.
I see.
Okay.
Mhm.
So this goods issue is before some clients before starting of confirmation. Sometimes they will do after a confirmation. They will do that.
I see.
Okay. That depends on the business.
Right.
Okay.
Now,
Now,
one more question that I have.
yeah.
Now, since we are uh, working with stock,
Mm,
um, can you go up there all the way up
yeah.
to the first screenshot? I mean, not the no, the Excel sheet. Yeah, here. Now we are working make to stock, right?
Correct. Correct.
And make to stock and make to order. When you
Mm,
work with discrete manufacturing or
mm,
process
mm,
manufacturing, so
mm.
we have to go all these steps as you are doing with the make to stock and make to order.
Correct.
Okay,
So the only difference will come here. In make to stock, you will have forecast. In make to order, you will have
sales order.
sales order. Correct.
To stock. Yeah,
Okay. So, but our MRP and this process is same, common.
yeah.
It won't change. Okay.
So it means if we work with all the production process,
Mm,
discrete and process and repetitive, these are all the
correct.
same. thing, and repetitive the things, everything, right?
Yeah, repetitive is different, but process or discrete manufacturing is same. We will see what is the differences. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but if you understood this process, like forecast, MRP, planned order, production order, this is the main process, starting and ending. Okay.
Yeah.
So in different kind of industries, how this will change, we will compare that.
Yeah, but my point is from make to start, all this MRP run, plan order, and production, good receive, issue, and these are all things similar that you can
Yes,
work
similar.
on this, and also
Correct.
you can work on process, repetitive, everything is only you need all this practices, right?
Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Repetitive is little different,
Uh-huh.
but process and this one is same.
Okay.
So that we will discuss later. What
Yeah.
is the differences and
Well,
everything.
only the reason I ask about, because you should know about the business concept first. What is
Correct.
a requirement, you know?
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we will do the goods receipt for our production order. Okay. So this is also we will use the same transaction Migo, and we will use the production order only. Okay.
Okay.
Before GR, we will check what is the stock present for this Honda car. Okay. I put the material code and plant and execute. You can see there is no stock now. Okay. There is no stock. Okay. Now we will do the Migo. Yesterday we confirmed 4 quantity. Okay. So select goods receipt here and select here order and enter the order number 162 and execute. These steps are common whether you are doing goods issue against production order or purchase order, GR, any GR, this transaction, this process is same. Okay.
Same. Yeah.
Execute. Okay. Then you can see you got the order number, material, this is car, and quantity out of 10 we produced yesterday 4 only. You can enter that 4
Yeah.
and then go to the where store location, already it is there, and in the bottom click on item OK and then save it. Okay.
Yeah.
Save. So it is saved and document is posted, material document posted.
Now, if you check the MMBE,
Correct. Now we are going to check MMBE. Same car and plant, execute. Now you can see for quantity in storage location 3001.
can you change this comma? It should be a 4.00. This will
Okay.
confusion. Yeah.
Yeah, I will change it.
SU3.
Yeah, notation. I am putting. Okay. You need to log off and log in again, actually.
I see.
Perfect. Is it okay now?
Yeah. Yeah. Now it's okay. So these are the four 4 cars, right? I mean,
Yes,
whatever the
correct.
4 numbers.
Correct. 4 cars.
Uh-huh.
So this is the manufacturing process from starting to ending in MTS scenario.
Yeah, but why is showing 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4 times?
So the stock in storage location is 4.
Mhm.
This storage location is in plant 0001. So
4,
at plant level is also 4.
4.
And this is a 3000 is a company code. So
I see.
company code.
I
This
see.
is organizational structure.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Okay. You need to check what is the stock in storage location level. This is the minimum level.
Right.
Can we look at the storage, the tires too? Tire warehouse. How many tires in the warehouse?
Yeah, now if you enter the tire, earlier it is reduced actually. You can new selection, you can see 1850.
Now this sign up there is for new selection. This one.
Sorry,
It looks like the tire is not
The
reproduced.
sign up there. This is for new selection.
sign up.
No, this is a refresh button here,
Yeah,
and the second one is for
new selection.
new selection. Means you click this, you can put the new item.
Yeah, you can change the item here. Like
Uh,
I want to see now 166. You enter that and
mm,
click on the selection, new selection. So it will
I,
show you the stock of that material.
I see. So you don't need to go back and put the
Yeah,
transaction
correct,
code and something.
correct,
Yeah, I see.
correct.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't see the tire change the number. It was 1,850 and stay at 1,850. The tire.
No, it is changed. I will show you the evidence.
Yeah.
Go to the MB51.
Yeah. Or MB03. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Tire. Material code plant I have executed and I am executing. You can see. Oh, why 261 is not happening?
Yeah, it doesn't happen for the tire. This is what I told you. I know the warehouse, it has 1,800.
Let me do once again. Maybe I not tick marked the OK button.
You know, oh
Goods
yeah, yeah, I
issue.
saw that. You remember when we went to the Migo, you make it the flag for only one line, not the second line.
Yeah, correct. Okay, that is the reason you can see here it is showing
Yeah,
Honda
yeah,
type.
yeah. I was looking to tell you, but I didn't pay attention. I believe yes, you didn't put the flag 2 times. Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
correct.
Yeah, yeah. You have put the item okay down. That's it. Yeah, you put it
Yeah,
for one line. Yeah.
correct. I think earlier I put only for 166 material. I did not put. Sorry, I forgotten this.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct. Yeah.
Now I put tick mark and storage location 50 quantity.
Yeah.
Now I am
Correct.
saving it.
Yeah. Correct.
Now posted. Now if you see MMBE, it will reduce. Tire.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Now it is 1800. It is reduced by 50. So it is now 1800. Earlier it is 1850. 50. Okay. Your voice is not clear, Nicholas.
I'm sorry. You don't mind if I drop the call now? I have another
Yeah.
class now.
Correct.
Sorry.
So I will drop it. So I hope you understood the process. Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Yes.
Yeah, great. Thank you, Wes.
Okay.
I appreciate your effort, man. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So Jamal, you need to speed up because we
have
completed.
A good day.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Nicholas. Bye.
Thank you.
I will
Bye,
stop the
Jamal.
class now.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, we have a